The possibilities are endless with DZ's Hex Series lineup. Made from strong yet lightweight extruded aluminum, featuring an integrated channel design, offering the ultimate in customization. DZ's Hex Series Side Steps provide a secure boost up into your truck and look good doing it with aggressive off-road styling. But the coolest feature comes courtesy of the integrated channel. These innovative hoop steps can be slid back and forth along the entire channel, allowing for complete custom placement to your preference. Installation is a breeze and can be done with basic hand tools. This is thanks to the mounting brackets, custom fit to your truck's exact make and model. These sturdy steel braces feature a patented anti-rust coating, NRT, and line up perfectly with factory holes. No drilling required. The steps themselves are just as easy to assemble and install. Available in 3 universal cab lengths and 3 protective powder coat finish options. There's sure to be a great addition to your ride. Those seeking a more enclosed step are in luck too. DZ also offers a cast step option, available in limited applications. Upgrade your truck with the perfect combination of style and functionality. With DZ's Hex Series products, the possibilities are infinite. Explore the full lineup today. Visit www.dz.com.